It's time to make a high-power confetti cannon. You only need a few parts to make it, and I'll show you each one. A friend of mine had an old burned-out RC airplane engine, which has our igniter in it, the glow plug. We're going to remove this one, and then using alligator clips and 2 AA batteries, we're going to test it out. It glows, so it's going in our project. I went to my home improvement store and went to the plumbing section and picked up a 12-inch long extension tube. Now this needs to be cut down to about 8 inches, so I measured it out and hacked away at it. I also picked up an electrical box with the matching cover, which we're going to remove and drill a 1/4-inch hole through the center of. Now our glow plug will fit through that hole, and it'll be secured on the other end with a matching nut I found in my parts bin. Then after drilling another hole in the side of the electrical box and inserting a rubber grommet, we're going to take a length of lamp cord and run it through the grommet into the box. Tie a knot in the cord to keep it from pulling out. 2 holes need to be drilled in our project enclosure box, which will house our 2 AA battery holder and snap, and also a momentary switch. Make the connections paying attention to which is the positive and negative wire. You'll wire the negative to the switch, and the negative end of the battery connector will go to the switch, and our positive lead from our battery clip and our wire will be attached using a wire nut. A wire splice and a piece of heat shrink tubing will be attached to the positive side of our lamp cord in our box, and a spade connector will be attached to the negative side of the lamp cord. The negative lead will be grounded to the bolt on our electrical box, and the positive connector will snap right in to our glow plug. Now it's time to attach our extension tube to our electrical box, and we're going to do that using some 2-part epoxy. So we'll use equal parts of the light colored side along with an equal amount of the darker colored side of this particular epoxy, and mix it up real good and attach our extension tube right centered over the glow plug to our electrical box. Now you'll need to let that sit for 24 hours, and I painted mine flat black with some heat-resistant paint. You'll also need some flame-resistant confetti, flash paper, and flash cotton. After finding a suitable place indoors, or preferably outdoors, we set our cannon on the floor and it's time to load it. The first step is to get a small bit of flash cotton, and we want to fluff this up a little bit and push it down inside of the confetti cannon. Then we'll use a sheet of flash paper, and this will be balled up and also pushed down inside of the cannon. And now it's confetti time. We will fill our cannon up full of confetti. And now it's time to test out our high-powered confetti cannon. And that's how to make a high-powered confetti cannon.